Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Naomi and today we're going to be making fried rice. Yay! Okay, not talking guys, let's get straight into the video. Here I'm marinating my chicken and into this bowl I've added rosemary, thyme, curry powder, stock cubes, salt, ginger, onions and garlic which I blended earlier to marinate this chicken. Guys, this process you can do it for 3 hours overnight as long as you want. The longer the better. Mine, I'm going to marinate it for 3 hours because I don't have enough time to do it longer. So I'm going to be saving some of the marinade juice to use to cook my fried rice later. Just adding salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Some people don't like too much salt, some people they like average salt, just according to your taste. So now I'm combining it to incorporate all the spices together. So you can cover it with a cling film, set it aside, put it in the fridge. And like I said, this process you can do it overnight. It tastes better. Now that my chicken is marinating, I'm going to parboil my rice to reduce the starch so that my fried rice will not be sticky. Usually I parboil my rice for about 10 minutes. This is long grain rice, so it doesn't need much parboiling. While my rice is boiling, I'm going to cut my sausage. If you don't like sausage, you can add liver or you can even add both. Your choice. Just feel free to do whatever you want. Okay, now it's time for our veggies. I like to use bell peppers because they are colorful and they smell nice. I cut them into cubes because I like them that way. You can cut them into strips, just whatever you want to do. After 3 hours of marinating, it's time to boil the chicken. I like to boil them in the marinade sauce for about 10 minutes before adding water. I do this so that the chicken can soak in the flavors of the marinade. I learned this trick from my mom and I believe the chicken tastes better after this process. It's not a game, it's a rich. Now that the rice has parboiled, it's time to strain the starch out and set the rice aside. Now I'm adding some water into the chicken so it can cook and be softer. After about 10 minutes, I believe this chicken is soft enough now. I'm just going to pack them out of the pot because I'm going to use the chicken stock to cook the rice. So I'm just going to add my parboiled rice into the chicken stock and allow it to cook. Usually the rice is ready when all the water in the pot has dried, but if you feel like your rice is too strong, even after that, you can add more water. Now I'm adding bay leaves. This is not essential, but it gives the rice good aroma and good taste. It's just what I noticed while using it. I'm adding stock cubes and salt, but put in mind that the chicken stock already has some salt in it, so you have to put that in mind while seasoning this. Okay, now that the rice is boiling, it's time to fry our chicken. Yay! My favorite part. I love fried chicken. I'm just one of those people that love fried chicken. I can't cook chicken for a meal, especially when I'm frying it without eating too. But hey, in my defense, how will I know if what I'm cooking is tasty if I don't taste it? Eh? So we're going to allow the chicken to fry on both sides until they are brown. Turn the chicken from side to side so they don't get burnt or stick to the pot. Can't you hear the sizzling, guys? Trust me, this tastes so good. I'm already plotting to do two out of this. Trust me. The aroma is so nice and I'm sure it tastes super nice. Okay, now the chicken is brown enough. Time to pack them from the oil. One thing I like to do with my fried chicken is I like to sprinkle some soya spice or soya pepper on it just to up the taste so it won't taste too plain. I do this when the chicken is hot and it's just out of the oil so that the soya spice can stick on the body of the chicken. Trust me, this tastes so nice. I had to chicken after this. It tastes really nice. Now that the rice is cooked, I'm going to fluff it a little because sometimes the seasoning and the spices tend to settle at the bottom. This process ensures that everything is well mixed, but you have to be careful when doing this so that you don't over mix the rice and it won't be too mushy. Okay, now the rice is ready. It's time to fry the veggies. I like to fry the shrimp first with some of my marinade sauce to eliminate the fishy taste.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I cooked the shrimp for about 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes I packed them out and I set them aside. We're going to be using them later to eat the veggies. Okay, now I'm adding more oil into the pan, and I'm going to add the rest of my marinade sauce into the oil and allow it to fry for some minutes. This part is an escape to those who don't like seeing onion slices in their food. For someone like me, I don't like seeing onion in my food, so this is the best way to do it for me. I'm going to add my sausage first because I want them to cook for a couple of minutes before adding my veggies.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now that the sausages have cooked for some minutes, it's time to add our mixed vegetables. I got this in a pack from a local supermarket here in Ibadan. You can get this in any supermarket, any big supermarket I think. But I got this in Ibadan, in a supermarket close to my house. So now that the veggies are in, I'm going to add my bell peppers and I'm going to allow them fry for some minutes. I like to add more sweet corn into my veggies mix because the mixed vegetable I bought doesn't have enough sweet corn in it, and I love plenty sweet corn in my fried rice. So I'm going to allow this to fry until the moisture that comes out of the vegetable is dry and it's just oil remaining in the pot. I'm spicing my vegetables with fried rice spice. Now this I also got from a local supermarket close to my house. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoonful of this fried rice spice. And as you can see here, I've also reintroduced my shrimps into the combo. And I'm just going to allow it to fry. If you can't get fried rice spice, you can substitute it with curry powder.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, now that the veggies are fried, it's time to put our rice into this mixture. If you notice, I'm trying to fluff the rice in so that it won't be sticky or mushy. You have to be careful while doing this. Now we're just going to gently stir the mix. Now you can see our fried rice coming together. This is a very easy recipe. You can try it at home anytime. Now can you see the colors popping, guys? Trust me, it smells so nice in here. This recipe is very easy and fast to make. You can make this for Christmas, New Year, your birthday, Ramadan, just anything. This recipe is a showstopper. I'm sure your guests will love this if you try this. Now the rice is ready. It's ready to be served and be eaten, guys. Look how delicious this looks. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you want a pack of this delicious rice. Feel free to ask, guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Bye. See you in my next video.